Imagine winning a Nobel Prize and getting the ultimate perk for the rest of your life. That's exactly what happened to the brilliant physicist Niels Bohr. In 1932, after winning his Nobel Prize, Denmark wanted to honor him in a truly unique way. The Carlsberg Foundation gifted him a beautiful honorary residence right next to their famous brewery in Copenhagen. But here is the best part. Living next to the brewery came with an incredible bonus. A direct pipeline was installed from the brewery to his house, giving him free beer for life. Yes, you heard that right. Unlimited beer on tap, straight from Carlsberg. Bohr lived in that house, enjoying his scientific work and his special beverage, until he passed away in 1962. It's such a cool story of how a nation showed its immense respect for one of its greatest minds. Cheers to that. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.